everyone, this is Ashrita and I'm a student in BVIT College. In this video, we will be breaking down the structure of a software requirement specification or simply SRS document. We will walk you through each section of an SRS document including the introduction, system requirements, functional requirements and non-functional requirements and more. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to organize and present your software project requirements in a well-structured document. Let's get started. At first, what is an SRS? A software requirement specification is a document that captures both functional and non-functional requirements of a system. It serves as a formal agreement between stakeholders like clients, developers, and user on what the software will do. Purpose of SRS: it provides a detailed description of the system behavior and acts as a reference point for all stakeholders involved in the project. Importance of SRS: clarity of the requirements ensures all stakeholders understand the system requirements clearly, reduces misunderstanding, it aligns expectations between clients, developers, and users. Project foundation provides a roadmap for design, development, and testing. Scope management controls project scope, avoiding unnecessary futures or changes. Cost and time efficiency helps in estimating resources, reducing development cost, and preventing rework. Key features of SRS will be explained by my friend Madhu. Key components of SRS, in which first one is introduction. In introduction, we will go through project purpose, which describes the overall purpose of SRS and what the document aims to achieve. Scope, which defines boundaries of software system, detailing what is included and excluded. Glossary of terms, it provides definition, acronyms, and abbreviation used in the document. Reference, it lists any external document, resources, or standard reference in the SRS. Overview, it summarizes what the rest of the document will cover. Second is system overview, which gives overall description of product perspective, which describes how the system fits into larger content, including the dependency or relationship with other systems. Product features, an overview of main feature that system will offer. User characteristics, it describes the intended user base, including the skill level, experience, and any special requirement. Constraints, it lists any limitation or constraints such as hardware limitation, performance constraint, or regular requirements. Assumptions and dependencies, detailed assumptions made during development and external factors that system depends on. Functional requirement, non-functional requirement, and external interface are explained by my friends Srivani and Alikya.
Functional requirements. Functional requirements specify the behavior of the functions of a system. They describe specific tasks that system must perform or support. Examples of functional requirements: user login. The system must allow users to log in valid credentials. Data entry. Users can input data into designated fields in the system. Report generation. The system should generate summary reports based on the input data. Payment processing. The system must process credit card payment securely. Non-functional requirements.
SRS versus other documents. SRS versus Functional Specification Document FSD. SRS covers both functional and non-functional requirements. FSD focuses exclusively on functional aspects, what the system will do. SRS versus Design Document. SRS focuses on what the system must accomplish. Design Document describes how the system will achieve those goals, providing a technical blueprint for developers. SRS versus Test Plan. SRS defines what the system should do. Test Plan defines how the system will be tested to ensure it meets the requirements specified in the SRS. SRS life cycle. Stages of the SRS process. Requirements gathering. Collect inputs from stakeholders, example users, clients, to understand what they need from the system. SRS writing. Document the requirements clearly and ambiguously in the SRS. Review and approval. Ensure all stakeholders review and approve the SRS to validate requirements. Maintenance and updates. Update the SRS during the project lifestyle as requirements evolve or change. Why is this life cycle important? Keeps the document relevant throughout the project, ensures that all new requirements or changes are captured.
Let's
Key takeaways. SRS as a foundation. The SRS lays the groundwork for the entire software development lifecycle. Clarity and communication. It helps bridge communication gap between technical and non-technical stakeholders. Scope control. An SRS keeps the project on track by defining what will and won't be included in the system. Ensures quality. Well-defined requirements lead to the better quality and product by aligning design, development and testing efforts. Final thought. A well-constructed SRS is crucial for the successful completion of any software development project.
have a quick glance of SRS structure example layout. Thank you.